Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel where amazing Photoshop design tutorial is being dropped weekly. Now stay with me while I take you guys through the process of how I created this amazing social media flyer. Now to begin, go to File, New, and the size I used was 3000 pixel by 3000 pixel, actually a square. Then click on leave the resolution at 300, background transparent, and create. What you do next, go to adjustment layer and look for gradient. I already have the gradient saved though, so this was the gradient I used. Let me show you guys. So here was a darker tone of red. The color code is 360809. Alright, and this is the lighter tone of red, which is the color code is FC0B11. Click OK. Then I change the style to radial and I reverse it, then click on OK. And if you have not gotten your graphic design essential bundles, I will suggest to you that you should get it now, because it will really help you a lot. So this is the Christmas stuff I use. Just hold your shift and drag, Ctrl Z, just scale it first, then hold your shift and zoom. So the next thing is to Ctrl A, then centralize it, Ctrl D. Next thing to do is to bring in my logo. So go to my desktop and logo. I'll look for the logo here. Here's it, P-Shot. Then small it a little bit, bring it here, Ctrl Z, I think. Okay, this okay. I think I dropped it inside. Let me. This is too. Let me drag it out. Just scaling it until it. Alright, I think this is what I did. Now let me go and import the P-Shot again, because I want the exact size. Then yes, I'm using my arrow key to drag to the front. Something like this is okay. Then what I will do next is this Christmas tree I brought. I'll double click it and go to your drop shadow and add drop shadow to it, opacity 80, and just follow my setting. Then okay, now what I'll do next, we made it to Ctrl A, Ctrl D, and the font I use was No Mixer. I usually love using this font most times. Then Ctrl A and centralize. What I'll do, I'll small it from here. Ctrl D to deselect, push to top, then give it spacing, add space to it. I made it to and add text December. And happy new month, guys. I wish you a successful and glorious month full of joy and peace. And always remember to stay creative. Alright, now reduce the line spacing, just set it at 0. Made it to December. Ctrl T. I think it's okay here. Ctrl A. Then centralize it. Ctrl D. So I'll do next. I'll bring the hands I used. I think they'll be here. It will be here. The hand. Yeah, look at the hands I use. And drag and drop. What did that say? Drag and drop and drop. Any of them, drag and drop. Then go to your subject. Go to select. Go to subject. Wait for the selection to load up. And you mask it out. Then what I'll do, convert it to smart object. Now you can see that it has some kind of stroke of white because I removed it from a white background. Now let me break it down a little bit. Hold your control and click on it, then mask it out. Go to filter, order and minimum, then leave the radius at 2.5, preserve at roundness, then click on OK. And don't forget to convert it to smart object. So we're almost done, guys. Let me just drag and drop the CTA. This is the call to action. Let me drag and drop it here. Ctrl A and Ctrl D. The hand. So guys, now what I'll do is to add those text. Ctrl J to make a duplicate of the December. Reduce the fill to 0. Double click on it. Go to your stroke, and stroke I used was pink yellow. Okay. Change the font to a bold font. Yes. Then you Ctrl T and drag. We made it to December, and thank God that we all made it to December, and we all make it to the new year with love, peace, joy and happiness. Amen. Now just scale it. What I'll do next is I'll come here and do Ctrl J. I'll duplicate it and bring it here, but this time I will reduce the opacity a little bit. Now let's get to the real deal, and this is the hand. This model, you can see it's too bright. First thing, I'll go to my levels and I will clip it. Hold your alt if you want to clip. Then Ctrl I to invert the layer. Then with your brush tool selected, gently brush the parts you want to be dark. So I actually want this part to be a bit dark. Yes. Let me shift the hand a little bit. I want this part to be a bit dark. Now what I'll do again, go to adjustment layer again and go to levels again. Now this time I want the up to be more bright, because you can consider the red light is, the hand is in the center of the red light, so I want the red light to be reflecting on the top and some part of the down. Also just clip it and invert it. Ctrl I. Don't forget to paint around the place you want to be bright. Be careful while doing this. And yeah, before after you can see the light that's not reflecting on it. Also go to your exposure and bring this down and add a little exposure to it. But I want the exposure to also be in this top part, because there is the central, let me say, the main place that I want the light to be on. So that part was supposed to be the brightest place, is highlight. Ctrl I and invert it. Go to your brush and brush it. Brush. The next thing I did, go to the top, go to solid color and give it a light red. Yes, the color code is FF0000. Then code your alt and create clipping marks. Select the blending mode to soft light, vivid light. Use anyone that works for you, but I will leave it at soft light. Then Ctrl I to invert it. Don't forget to brush gently. Let me just check the blend mode I use. Okay, linear light. Then I'll just brush gently. When you are doing this, don't forget, please always reduce your flow so it will not appear too much. Reduce your flow. Let me reduce my flow to 49% and brush. Just brush gently. Brush. Ctrl Z, that part is too much. Brush. Don't rush while doing this process, so you have a more better result than mine. You can see apply some. Let me use the bracket key to reduce the size of your brush, and just brush a little. Also in this part, brush a little. Ctrl Z. Please, when doing this, be careful, because I'm trying to rush the video. I don't want the video to be very lengthy this time, so be careful when doing it. So you can see now what you do, just double click on it, go to under this blend if option, go to under define layer, this part, hold your alt key and it will break it down. Then click on this white, hold your alt, this will blend it to the skin. It's blending into the skin. Click OK, and you reduce your opacity, and you have that light effect here. And I'll reduce the opacity a little bit more, and the exposure, let me increase the exposure a little bit. Yes, I love it like this. Yeah. Go to the brush. Let me brush it a little bit. Brush this up part a little bit. Increase my flow this time. Yeah, so this was how I achieved this wonderful flyer design on Photoshop. Please guys, like, subscribe and share. Don't forget, we are dropping content every week. Every Friday we are dropping Photoshop design tutorial, and stay tuned guys for our next video. Peace.